Everett Boeing 5, be advised. 10 minutes, you're going to have a 737 404, do 3 approaches. I'm not going to land.
Boeing Everett, Boeing 836.
6, Boeing Everett, go ahead.
So we'll be in for a couple of, actually for 3 ILSs to 16. We'll be there at 32 minutes after the air, and then we'll be off back to Boeing Field.
There are 3 ILS approaches, and then off to Boeing Field. And confirm 4 souls on board.
That's confirmed.
Roger, 11.
Boeing Everett, Boeing 634, be transiting your field in 10 minutes with your approaches, 4 souls.
Copy. 4 souls, 10 minutes, 2 approaches. Boeing Everett.
Everett Boeing 5, additional landing. LCF 2 aboard, going to Frank 1 in 20 minutes.
Boeing Everett, Evergreen 461.
Evergreen 461 is Boeing Everett, go ahead.
Yeah, we'll be on the ground about 20 minutes. We got 2 empty SMEs on board and 2 souls.
Roger, copy. 20 minutes, 2 souls. Thank you, Boeing Everett.
Everett Boeing 5, got to take off. 777, 10 aboard. Call 212. 10 minutes.
339. Boeing Fire 339, our 777 is off to the south.
Copy.
Boeing Everett, Boeing 949 is airborne at 14.
949, Boeing Everett, Roger.
Boeing Everett, Boeing 949 is airworthy.
Boeing 949, Boeing Everett, copy, airworthy.
Everett 5, Boeing 5. 777 landing with 10 on board, going to 212, 15 minutes.
339.
Thank you. 62 Central.
60.
You have 777 landing in 10 minutes, 15 minutes, going to Seoul 212.
Copy 212.
Boeing Everett at 835, we're going to be in there in about 15 minutes doing 2 approaches.
835, Roger, copy. 15 minutes, Boeing Everett.